I will teach you the sounds of animals. Okay? She's 3 years old and her name is Elisha Marie B. Agsaway. Okay? Amen. See you guys. We will teach you the animals, the sounds. What is the sounds of monkey? What is the sounds of dog?
Ruff, ruff.
What is the sounds of cat? What is the sounds of cow?
Moo, moo.
What is the sounds of goat?
Meh, meh.
What is the sounds of snake? What is the sounds of bird?
Tweet, tweet, tweet.
What is the sounds of pig? What is the sounds of tiger?
Roar.
What is the sounds of chicken?
Bak, 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 bak.
What is the sounds of duck?
Quack, quack.
What is the sounds of frog?
Rabbit.
What is the sounds of dinosaur?
Roar.
Okay, Amen. Thank you very much. You're a good and smart girl. Thank you. Excellent. Very, very good.